My character's name is Vikas, and he is in a relationship with Shikha, which is played by Tanya Manitala. The laughs are there, the fun is there, the gags are there. Subconsciously, back of your head, it keeps running that sanitize हुआ है यहाँ पे हाथ करके उसके बाद करना है.
Hi Varun, welcome to Eastern Eye.
Thank you मेरे भाई, कैसे हो आप?
बस ठीक, आप कैसे हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ यार, मजे कर रहा हूँ.
So पहले ये इंटरव्यू शुरू करने से पहले हमें कुछ प्रे करना चाहिए बिकॉज़ मैंने देखा ट्रेलर में आपने बोला है.
नहीं भाई नहीं, बस स्टार्ट करते हैं.
So Varun, digital debut if I'm not wrong इस फिल्म से.
Yeah.
So how excited or nervous you are about it?
I am very excited. Yeah, it's a very interesting show. It's a very interesting series, and that's what I wanted to start off on a digital platform in a different kind of a series. So I think Chutzpah is the perfect blend of it, and it talks about the digital world. It talks about the web world and the madness that kind of goes inside the web world. So very excited. Yeah, I'm waiting for people to see it because it's gonna. I'm hoping that's going to change perspectives of people once they're using the internet and what they are doing once they see the show.
Because I think, I'm sure the audiences would like to know more about it because the trailer doesn't give out much. I mean, in the trailer, we just see you guys doing some naughty stuff and talking about trolls. So tell us something about your character in the series.
So it basically, I'll tell you, the entire show is about these 5 different stories that I've kind of weaved in together. The basis of it is about the web world and about what all kind of goes in the internet. And so my story, which is, my character's name is Vikas, and he is in a relationship with Shikha, which is played by Tanya Manitala. So these guys, once they're together and the relationship is going very smooth and fine and absolutely all love is there, and once because of certain things it has to get separated, and it from the basic physical relationship kind of turns into a long distance relationship, and now the relationship is only through webcams and the interactions and whatever happens and all that, and what changes that brings into the relationship of these two individuals, and the love is the same, the emotion is the same, the feelings are the same, but how due to situations and because of not being together in physicality with each other, how it all changes. So that's what the arc of Vikas's story is. But yeah, I mean, so it basically is what the web can do to you, till what extremes are people going, till whatever things these guys are doing. So that's what it basically talks about in the series.
But of course, you are famously known for the character of Chucha, and I was reading on YouTube there are comments like Chucha and Chutzpah. So do you feel any pressure about it because the whole thing of Chutzpah and Chucha coming together?
Yeah, I mean, that is there. Yeah, I mean, there is a pressure. Yeah. I mean, there is a pressure in terms of it's a healthy pressure. I mean, with the grace of God, I'm very thankful and I feel blessed that the audience loves my work and they kind of relate to it, and they kind of, it's like an expectation now that if I'm coming on screen that I'll make them laugh or I get that smile on their faces. It's a very big pressure to have, and I want to do it with every character that I do, whether it's Chucha, whether it's Sexa, whether it's Katanni, whether it's Sidhu, any character that I have to match it or take it a notch higher of the previous thing that I've done. So that's, I think, not only for me, I think that's with every actor that thing is there, and it's a healthy pressure. I mean, if there's no pressure, then the workforce is not going to be there at the optimum level. So that's how it is, and even with Chutzpah, it is, the laughs are there, the fun is there, the gags are there. It is a fun show, but at the same time, there's a very different arc. It's a different thing that even I've attempted. People are gonna see me in a very different light because of the arc of the character which is there. And I really hope and I really pray that I get accepted and people accept it and they like it and they shower that much of love as they've showered on the other characters that I portrayed. So keeping my fingers crossed with the grace of God कि मेरे से अच्छा लगे लोगों को यार, क्योंकि कुछ अलग सा अटेम्प्ट करा है भाई, कुछ अलग सा अटेम्प्ट करा और ये शो ही बड़ा अतरंगी है और अलग है.
पर अगर ट्रोल्स की बात करें तो of course I think mostly celebrities को ट्रोल्स बहुत फेस करने पड़ते हैं, तो क्या आपको भी फेस करने पड़ते हैं? How do you tackle that?
How do I tackle it? I mean, if it's someone's giving me suggestions, if someone is writing something which I personally feel or I've been told that I need to rectify it in my life, in my work, in my craft, I really actually implement it. It's not that I overlook it and I'm like, you know, I don't think that I'm not the person. So मैं क्यों उसकी बात करूँ, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. तो मैं वो इम्प्लीमेंट करता हूँ, लेकिन हाँ अगर वो ऐसे ही बेवजह ही कोई चीज़ें करता रहता है कुछ है, तो मैं ट्राई करता हूँ कि उससे इफेक्ट ना हो. मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगा कि मैं पढ़ता नहीं हूँ या मैं देखता नहीं हूँ, वो इम्पॉसिबल है. क्योंकि हर बंदा हर चीज़ पढ़ता है, हर चीज़ देखता है, और अगर किसी को लगता है कि वो चीज़ गुम हो जाएगी हज़ारों चीज़ों में और नहीं पता चलेगा, वो सबको पता चलता है. हम पढ़ते हैं, हम देखते हैं. And because we also would want to know how are people reacting to certain things, how they are liking, not liking, is this thing. So to like something or to not like something is everyone has their opinions. Everyone are absolutely they're correct to tell them, you know, any person that this is right, I like it, or I don't like it, this is not correct and all that. But to take it on a very different tangent or to convey the same thing in a very different manner is not the correct thing. So, I mean, that's what we should. Yeah, it shouldn't take a toll on your mental health. It shouldn't take a toll on your thinking process. But of course, suggestions and the implementations and the changes that needs to be made if something is not going correct and you're getting suggestions from people online, of course you should implement it in your life and kind of rectify it.
So Arun, did you shoot this series during the pandemic, and how different is to shoot now a series or a film in pandemic and earlier when you used to shoot it?
So with the grace of God, we shot this right after the first lockdown when things kind of started opening up again. This was the first thing that I shot after the first lockdown, and literally is the first thing that I shot in the pandemic. And it was very different. It was very earlier. We never used to think about what we are touching, what we are doing, how we are interacting. You know, because as actors, we are in our mask throughout the day, on set as well. But right when we are in front of the camera and we are enacting, we have to remove our masks and kind of do the things. So it is a very different process. I mean, subconsciously, back of your head, it keeps running that you sanitize your head. यहाँ पे हाथ करके उसके बाद करना है and all that. I mean, it's an added thing which is kind of got added now, that you have to be more conscious about everything and every moment. But at the same time, I mean, that's the new normal here. I mean, that we have to accept it. And it's not only in our field, I think it's in every field for that matter. I'm sure in your field also, when you must be doing interviews or doing stuff, it's just become a part of like how everyone else has become a part of our lives as well. But it was a very interesting shoot because there are no co-actors. There are very limited co-actors. My interaction is majorly with the screen. And it's on a green screen and everything has to do about the imagination. So going directly by the gut of the director and the creator, and जिस तरह से वो चीज़ों को देख रहे हैं, बस उनके नज़रिए से आपको वो चीज़ों को देखना है और उसको implement करना है.
So Arun, lastly, I would like to know what's an update on Fukre 3 and Circus. Is the shooting going on right now?
So with the case of Circus, yes, we've done a major part of it. We kind of finished it, and I feel really honored and blessed to be a part of it and to be directed under Rohit's guidance. I think that's true to the case of it. It's one of the most beautiful things, and I'm very excited about it. And on Fukre 3, we were supposed to start, but then the second wave happened and everything, like how everyone else, everything stopped. So we've taken a little bit of a break and we're waiting for things to kind of settle back again and work to happen and back in full swing. And then we're going to roll out Fukre 3, man. So everything is ready. Everything is done. We were about to start, and now we're just waiting for things to ease down, and then we're gonna get back to it, and it's gonna be a mad ride.
So Varun, it was really nice chatting with you. All the best for Chuspa, your digital debut.
Thank you, Meera bhai. Please watch the show on 23rd July and let me know how it is.
Sure, I will. Thank you so much.